Exodus 25 verses 8. Let them construct a sanctuary for me, that I may dwell among them. Apostle Wairunge and the Synagogue CFC invite you for the fatherly blessing of the sanctuary service on the 2nd of July 2023 starting from 2 p.m. Come one, come all, as we dedicate the sanctuary to the hands of the Almighty God. The guest minister of this great occasion is none other than Archbishop Dr. Mr. and Mrs. Harrison Nganga. This event will come to you live on Faith TV, Bethel TV, and Inoro TV. This event will go down at the Synagogue CFC located at Coffee Plaza, Haile Selassie Avenue, mezzanine floor, first floor, opposite Easy Coach bus station. For more information, call 011-2935-035. All are welcome.